Let's take a look at what's in the case of your new QC20-W Bull Bar system. First, we have the QC20-W Bull Bar itself. The device is configured with a ball at each end, one of which is fixed and the other is spring-loaded. It also features an integrated Bluetooth module and a removable battery end cap that functions as the on-off switch. The QC20-W uses a standard CR2 3-volt lithium battery. Please pay attention to the polarity when installing it. The positive end goes in first. The cap is marked inside to show the negative contact. Refit the cap and screw it down. After a few moments, the LED on the Bluetooth module should turn green, indicating the device is now on. You are not ready to start testing yet, so switch it off again by backing off the cap a quarter turn so that the green LED goes out. Each Bull Bar has a unique serial number that is both stored in internal memory and laser etched on the body. It is also recorded on the reference plate in the system case, together with the date it was last calibrated. This data is also recorded in the Bull Bar's internal memory. As standard, the QC20-W is configured with a 100mm length, but you can extend this by using the included extension pieces. These are supplied in 50, 150 and 300mm lengths and can be used individually or combined to provide a test radius of up to 600mm or more if additional extension bars are purchased. Next, there is the magnetic tool cup and the tool cup extension. The extension has a 12mm diameter at one end and half-inch diameter at the other, so that it can be used with either metric or imperial collets. In this recess, you'll find wrenches for tightening and removing the pivot balls and extension pieces, and also a special wrench for gripping the battery cap. A setting ball for use when establishing the work offset. The Bull Bar Calibrator. This is made of zero-dur glass and has a coefficient of thermal expansion, or CTE, of almost zero, so it is not affected by temperature. It is used for setting the absolute test radius of Bull Bar configurations of 100, 150 and 300mm. Note the calibration date and the serial number. Finally, there is the center mount. The center mount features a magnetic base, magnetic tool cup and a manual locking lever to lock the center position after the work offset has been set. Depending on which accessories you have purchased with your Bull Bar, there may be a few empty spaces in the case for optional accessories such as vertical turning lathe adapter, small circle accessory, spare batteries and a small zero-dur calibrator for calibrating a 50mm radius with the small circle accessory kit. If you peel back the divider, you should find an envelope containing your product warranty and registration information. Please don't forget to register your Bull Bar, as this will ensure that Renishaw are able to contact you should any service or support issues arise, or so that we can notify you of any product updates or enhancements. Behind the envelope, there is the software CD-ROM, calibration certificates for the Bull Bar and Calibrator, and a set of test result cards and wallets so that you can leave a visual reminder that a machine has been tested. Finally, there should be a packet of cleaning compound for removing dirt and contamination from the magnetic tool cups. In addition to the standard QC20 Bull Bar kit, you may also have some accessories such as a 360-degree lathe kit. This is for testing lathes and other turning machines. A small circle accessory kit for testing with a 50mm radius. A VTL adapter for testing turning lathes or other types of machines where there are only two linear axes. And finally, you may have purchased a Bluetooth dongle to enable your QC20-W to communicate with your PC.